Welcome to this session on creating a transfer order in SAP. In this lesson, you'll learn how to initiate the picking process in the warehouse by creating a transfer order linked to an outbound delivery. This important step ensures that goods are correctly picked from storage, ready to be packed and shipped to the customer. The transfer order bridges the gap between outbound delivery and physical warehouse operations. It connects the sales process with warehouse management, allowing the system to track exactly which materials are being picked, in what quantities, and from which storage bins. Let's see how this is used in a real-world scenario at Pepsi. Imagine a Pepsi warehouse preparing a large beverage order for a key supermarket client. After the sales order and delivery document are created, the warehouse team uses SAP to generate a transfer order. This tells the team exactly where the items are stored and what needs to be picked. With this instruction in place, picking begins, triggering updates to inventory and ensuring accurate fulfillment. Across Pepsi's global distribution network, SAP transfer orders ensure consistent execution between planning and physical movement, supporting inventory control and customer satisfaction. Now consider your own operations. Are picking processes clearly initiated and tracked in SAP? Could improved transfer order creation help streamline warehouse efficiency and ensure correct deliveries? Let's begin the step-by-step process of creating a transfer order in SAP. To effectively initiate the transfer order creation process in SAP, begin by navigating to the relevant transaction. On the SAP Easy Access screen, select Logistics, then proceed to Sales and Distribution, followed by Shipping and Transportation. Continue by selecting Picking, then Create Transfer Order, and finally Single Document. The transaction code is LT03. This transaction code specifically allows the creation of a transfer order TO within SAP, essential for managing the outbound deliveries and ensuring accurate picking operations within the warehouse. Upon reaching the initial Create Transfer Order for Delivery Note screen, several critical fields must be accurately filled out. These fields ensure the transfer order is correctly defined and linked directly to the corresponding sales order and delivery, and they identify precisely where the materials are stored, as well as outline how goods will be systematically picked. The warehouse number field identifies the specific warehouse or storage location from which materials will be picked. This number is critical as it aligns the transfer order directly with the actual physical location of inventory. It determines the appropriate storage locations, bin locations, and applicable picking strategies configured in the warehouse management system. Additionally, the foreground option is used to specify whether the transfer order creation process will be interactive or automatic. Selecting the foreground option prompts SAP to provide immediate user feedback and confirmations, ensuring accuracy in real-time operations such as confirming picking quantities. The foreground-background field further refines this interaction, controlling whether SAP automatically updates the picked quantities directly back into the delivery document. Setting this option to 1 ensures that the picked quantities are accurately reflected in the associated outbound delivery document once materials are physically removed from storage. The delivery number field crucially links the transfer order explicitly to a specific outbound delivery. It ensures the picking process remains accurately connected to the relevant delivery document, thus maintaining integrity and clarity across logistical and warehouse operations. After completing all required data entries accurately, click Enter to proceed to the subsequent screen. On this next screen, additional details regarding the specific quantities, materials, and storage locations involved in the picking process can be verified or adjusted as necessary. To review the details of the transfer order, such as picked quantities and material specifics, access the transfer order display screen. Here, you can thoroughly validate entries, confirming that all information is correct and matches operational requirements. After validating the transfer order details and confirming accuracy, you may exit the screen by clicking back, returning to the SAP Easy Access screen. This final step completes the transfer order creation process, ensuring all data is precisely recorded and appropriately linked to warehouse management operations and inventory control within SAP. Now that you've completed this session on creating a transfer order in SAP, you've seen how to access the transfer order screen, enter the necessary warehouse and delivery data, and confirm the picking process by linking it to an outbound delivery. You've also learned how this process updates warehouse activity and ensures that stock levels remain accurate throughout fulfillment. Creating a transfer order is a key part of warehouse execution. It ensures that the right items are picked from the right locations for the right customer, making sure that logistics flow efficiently from sales order to delivery. Let's return to our Pepsi example. With a high volume of products moving daily across bottling plants and distribution centers, Pepsi relies on SAP transfer orders to manage picking operations precisely. Whether it's a pallet of soft drinks or a container of sports beverages, each movement is logged, traceable, and tied back to customer expectations, ensuring delivery promises are kept. Now reflect on your warehouse operations. Are transfer orders consistently created and confirmed? Could better use of this process improve picking accuracy, reduce shipping delays, or strengthen inventory control? By mastering transfer order creation, you're contributing to warehouse efficiency, order accuracy, and seamless logistics execution. Keep practicing. You're building the skills that connect system planning with real-world warehouse performance.